So this is a video on how to make an appointment in Flobot for one of your engineers to go out and do a field-based job. So in front of you can see the screen for the customer, in this case David Beckham, lives at this address. Let's just make an appointment for someone to go out and in the first instance give them a quote or an estimate, and in the second instance we will go on to giving them a quote, a job or a project, or setting a job or a project for another engineer to go out and actually perform this task. So you can see here we've got the global schedule. This is everyone on it. Up here these colours correspond to individual engineers or estimators. We're going to make an appointment for Boris Johnson, and we're going to make the appointment for Monday the 25th between 10 and 12. I'm going to click the slot, new appointment, appointment type. You can see there's lots of different appointment types here. They all work exactly the same apart from the recurring one, which is on the next video. The only difference between them is they're different colours in the schedule. You'll see what I mean in a minute. So we pick quote or estimate. We can decide to tell our engineer, if we want to, some messages that go on SMS or email, or we can tell our customer, what time the engineer or the estimator is going to arrive, and that will have details of, a picture of their face, even their van registration number, and all sorts of contact details in case they need to get hold of them. We can put something in here if we want to. Beware. Here's the day we've selected, the 25th, and there's the time. We can alter it from here if you want to. We can pick any of these days if you want, but we're happy with it. So we're going to submit it. And once we've submitted that, you'll see it in the schedule right here. And as soon as it's appeared in that schedule, it's gone to the app, and the engineer or the estimator has this with the address, the customer's details on, and they can navigate to it from Google Maps. Second type of appointment I'm going to make on here for Boris, again, could be anyone, is a job or a project. Exactly the same things up here. This time I'm going to put in more time to do the actual job. I'm going to tell the customer that he's going to be arriving, and I'm going to submit that one. And you can see that that has now gone into this day here, and it's orange. So in an individual schedule, Boris here, that's the colour of Boris in the main schedule. You can see that those two appointments are replicated in this. In his individual schedule, we can see what type of job it is from the colour, or what type of appointment it is. So this one's orange, so it's a project. That one's blue, so it is an appointment for a quote or an estimate. That one's actually purple, which is recurring. We're going to do that in the next video. So you can see that was fairly simple to do, and that's the end of this video.